Hello KCD 2026 champions. It's a very important video for everyone who is going to give the examination tomorrow. I'll be talking about certain tips that you need to keep in mind while filling in the OMR sheet. Starting with the first one, whenever you're gonna bubble up these circles, make sure you make a border outside and then color it up. It will be taking less time in comparison to starting from inside and going outside. So make a border. That is the first thing. Second thing, do not put any dot on the OMR sheet. The reason being that the OMR sheet reader, which is the machine, is going to read each and everything that is there on your sheet. So it can misinterpret things and you might lose your marks. The third thing, make sure you do not give two answers for one particular question. It would be considered as invalid. Similarly, do not make any cross as well on the OMR sheet out there. Next point. Do not wait until the end to fill up the bubbles out there in the OMR sheet. Some people do that. Some children attempt all the questions on the question paper and then later on towards the end they do that. Do not do it because it might create panic and you might do many mistakes. So it is recommended that once you're solving a question, make sure you bubble it up right there. If you are not sure, if you have the confusion regarding a question, put a star mark in the question paper. If you think that I did not know the question at all, make a circle. It will be easy for you to distinguish in that particular way and attempt it later on with peace. Now, the last and the very important point, make sure you use well-versed pen, something that you have used before, and do not use a brand new pen on the day of your examination. Make sure you have written something with that particular pen a day before at least. And it will be recommended to use any of your favorite brands out there. Make sure you use ballpoint pen only. It can be blue or black. Now right now I have a fair pen with me and it works well. If it works well for you, you can use that as well. Wishing you the best and do not forget to hit the subscribe button now.